Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best underwater camera is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for capturing breathtaking underwater footage, whether you are a seasoned diver exploring coral reefs teeming with vibrant marine life or a passionate adventurer documenting your underwater escapades. This in-depth review will help you navigate the world of underwater cameras, exploring the key features, functionalities, and considerations to help you choose the perfect device to capture your next unforgettable underwater adventure. Number 5. AKASO EK7000 Action Camera. Get ready to capture stunning moments with the AKASO EK7000. It's the perfect camera for all your adventures, big and small. Experience breathtaking clarity with its 4K 30 FPS video recording. You'll be amazed by the detail and vibrant colors. Say goodbye to shaky videos. It features built-in EIS for incredibly smooth footage, even during fast-paced action. It's waterproof up to 131 feet, so you can capture amazing underwater shots. Explore the depths with confidence. Control it from your wrist with the included remote. Start, stop, and frame your shots effortlessly. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and share your adventures instantly. Download the AKASO Go app to get started. What we like. It boasts incredibly clear 4K video and smooth stabilization, even when things get shaky. If you need a waterproof camera for various adventures and want reliable image quality, this is a great option. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. What people say. This camera has the option to do 4K at 30 FPS, frames per second, if you want crystal clear shots or videos that don't have a lot of movement and are pretty to look at. Or you can swap to 1080p, which is still full HD, at 60 frames per second, and you can have a smoother video quality with more frames per second at a slightly lower video quality. Both are great options. You can easily transfer the videos to your phone after making them instead of having to wait until you're at a computer. The case it comes with for underwater use is A++ and solid, works very well. Number 4. AKASO Brave 4 Action Camera. It captures life's most beautiful moments in crisp 4K 30 frames per second video or stunning 20MP photos. Relive your adventures anytime, anywhere. With 4 adjustable viewing angles and built-in image stabilization, it ensures smooth, professional-looking footage, no matter the situation. It features Wi-Fi and HDMI capabilities for easy sharing and editing. Connect to your phone or tablet with the free app, or display your videos on a larger screen. Take it underwater up to 40 meters with the waterproof case. The dual screens make framing your shots easy, whether you're above or below the surface. It comes with a dual charger, 2 long-lasting batteries, and a versatile accessories kit perfect for cycling and other activities. Get ready for your next adventure. What we like. This camera offers versatile viewing angles and long battery life, perfect for extended adventures. If you're looking for a camera that adapts to various shooting scenarios and provides extended recording time, this is the one. The dual screens make framing shots a breeze, ensuring you always get the perfect shot. What people say. The video stabilization is amazing. On my rides I hit a lot of minor bumps with uneven sidewalks and the camera handles them no problem. The lighting auto-adjusts so I do not have to change settings with each use, although if you wanted to, you can change things like the ISO for specific shooting styles. For my first time using a camera underwater, the picture quality and video were surprising. The remote control is very useful and functional. I've attached it to the handlebars, so I can easily stop and start recording video. Plus, if you are recording video, you can hit the photo button on the remote and it takes a 20MP photo without interrupting the video. This is so useful for taking quick pictures of lovely scenes and still get the video you want. Number 3. AKASO Brave 7 LE Action Camera. Get ready to capture life's adventures with the all-new AKASO Brave 7 LE Action Camera. It's built to withstand any weather and is perfect for vlogging or capturing your favorite activities. This camera is IPX7 waterproof, protecting it from rain and snow. Take it underwater up to 131 feet with the included waterproof case, it's ready for anything. With its innovative dual-color screens, you can easily switch between front and back views. The front screen is perfect for selfies, while the 2-inch touchscreen makes operation a breeze. Capture every detail with its ability to shoot hyper-quality 4K 30 frames per second video and 20MP photos. Your memories will never look better. It features improved 6-axis EIS 2.0 for gimbal-like stabilization. Even fast-moving shots will look incredibly smooth and professional. It includes digital zoom, time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion modes. Plus, you get 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and mounting kits, everything you need to get started. What we like. With its responsive touchscreen and advanced stabilization, capturing smooth footage is effortless. If you value ease of use and superior image stabilization, this camera is a must-have. Its all-weather design makes it perfect for any environment, from rainy days to underwater adventures. What people say. The processor and image sensor are dramatically improved in the Brave 7, image stabilization is better, internal microphone is better, and the remote that came with it is far more solid, easier to use and connects better with the camera. It takes great video and does a great job. This action camera captures stunning underwater photos and top-notch video quality, making it the perfect companion for my adventures. Transferring files to my phone is quick and seamless. Number 2. SJCAM SJ4000 Pro Action Camera. It's an entry-level action camera with pro-level features. It's easy to use and packed with capabilities to make your videos stunning. Record breathtaking 4K 30fps video. It also shoots amazing 40MP photos, ensuring you capture every detail. With its 170° super wide-angle lens and 5x zoom, it captures expansive views or zooms in on the action. Remember to turn off FOV when using zoom. It's waterproof up to 30 meters. Dive into the depths and capture incredible underwater footage with its specialized underwater mode. Connect to the SJCAM Zone app via Wi-Fi to easily edit and share your videos on your favorite social media platforms. The Wi-Fi range is up to 33 feet. It includes loop recording, time-lapse, motion detection, and more. 2 900 mAh batteries and a 32 GB SD card are included. What we like. This camera packs a punch with high-resolution photos and a powerful zoom. If you're looking for professional-level features without the professional-level price tag, this is it. Its versatile features and included accessories make it perfect for various activities, from cycling to underwater exploration. What people say. For the cost, it lasted 5 years and produced quality recordings at 1080p 30fps. I never had any issues with it. Once this action cam is in car mode, it automatically turns on and starts to record once you start your car, and then powers off when you shut off your car. The video quality is the same as the first camera, it takes good videos and it's easy to adjust the resolution and quality in the settings. The camera comes with a good amount of accessories to start out for any action adventures you need to record. I use mine mostly for motorcycle rides but also for snorkeling. The waterproof case works and the underwater video quality is also decent, however videos will need to be edited for better color outcome, and snowboarding. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Get ready to capture stunning 5.3K 60 video and 27MP photos with the all-new GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's waterproof, durable, and packed with incredible features. It features a revolutionary new image sensor, delivering unbelievable image quality. Experience richer colors and greater detail in every shot. This camera provides high-resolution photos and videos, even at high frame rates. You'll be amazed by the clarity and smoothness. Capture breathtaking moments with its high-resolution photos and videos. It's perfect for any adventure, big or small. Say goodbye to shaky footage. It boasts Emmy award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization, ensuring incredibly smooth and professional-looking videos. It automatically creates highlight videos for you. Simply capture your adventures, charge it up, and relive the best moments effortlessly. Go live with your adventures or use it as a webcam for crystal-clear video calls. It's versatile and ready for anything. What we like. Experience unparalleled video quality and effortless stabilization with this top-tier action camera. If you demand the absolute best image quality and convenience, this is your choice. Its automatic highlight reel feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to easily share your adventures. What people say. The ability to record at high resolution is great. The ability to configure for frame rate, resolution, image field, and multiple other customizations is almost dizzying with how many ways to adjust it. The picture quality is excellent, and it captured the entire hunt just as I had hoped. Using that setting, I am able to get about 75 minutes of uninterrupted recording time, and operating at this setting makes the video much less distorted at the expense of a narrower field of view. This is a very rugged piece of gear, with the bare camera waterproof down to 33 feet. The camera can operate at various resolutions and frame rates, allowing both time-lapse and slow-motion video. It has replaceable batteries, so you can keep spares on hand for long recording sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.